Hello, my name is Emily Vallely and this is my living room. As mentioned in my other apartment tour videos, my apartment was built in 1937 and this room specifically has so much charm and so many cool architectural details. This room has curved walls which gives the illusion of really high ceilings. Another great architectural detail in this room is this great fireplace. It's not working, it's just for show, but I really love having a mantle to display all of my holiday decorations. Another fun detail in this room is the really cool ornate peephole on the front door. I really love this because you never find these in modern homes. And my favorite original detail in this room are these amazing sconces. I think they've been here since the apartment was built, and they do have some cracks and scratches and stuff, but I'm just so happy that they've stayed intact after all of these years. I went with a more elegant theme in this room compared to some of the other rooms in my apartment, but of course I had to have some kitsch, so I have a few needle points, and my favorite thing on this wall is this little deer note holder that you can hide your treasures in. Being that this apartment is a one-bedroom and my boyfriend and I have a lot of stuff, I really wanted to maximize the space in this living room. So we used this Boy Scouts crate and these 3 vintage suitcases to store a lot of the stuff that we don't use too often. We use this mid-century dresser as a TV stand, and this is actually Brandon's main dresser. If you have a small apartment, I really suggest doing this because it creates so much space. This vintage peacock chair is one of my prized possessions. I've mentioned in a previous video that I actually slept in my car outside of an estate sale so I could be first in line to get it. I knew I wanted a huge statement piece above this fireplace, and when I first moved in, I was lucky enough to find this amazing piece of art from the Vintage Emporium. It might not be for everyone, but I think it's one of my most favorite pieces that I've ever owned. I love having crystals all around my apartment, and pretty much all of the ones I own are from Recircle Home in Long Beach. I wanted to keep the feminine theme of the painting going along the mantle, so I have these 3 sculptures. This one actually did have an American flag that she was holding, but one of my cats ripped it off, so now it just looks like she's raising a glass. By now you guys know that I have a huge deer obsession, and some of my collection is in this room. My mom got me this adorable pair of garden deer. They're supposed to go outside, but I wanted them in front of my fireplace. This couch is not vintage, but it's been in my family for almost 20 years. When I moved out, my mom gave it to me, and I love it so much. It's so comfortable. It's from Pottery Barn from the early 2000s, and a lot of people think that velvet isn't too durable, but it really is because this couch has held up really well over the years. One of the more interesting pieces in this room is this sign above my couch. It's from an old bead store, and I purchased it from Magnolia and Willow. I think it fits so perfectly right above this window. I got this 1970s mustard rocking chair from the Salvation Army, and this is the most comfortable place in my entire apartment to sit, so I really love curling up with a good book and reading here at night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my living room. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.